Here's a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT, one owner with a clean Carfax, 17,000 mile, front wheel drive model. It's in Summit White, as you can see, classic Equinox styling here. We do have the high intensity pod here on the left with your driving light, integrated fogs down there in the lower bumper fascia. See a little chrome surround around your bow tie upper and lower fascia area there to help kind of set it off, as you can see. As we work our way around to the side, you can see a split spoke alloy wheel, 18 inch, excuse me. Very nice Michelin's on this, probably 9, 10, 30 seconds, 3/4 tread or better. You also can see a nice brand new rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Focusing on the wearables, you can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. This is a 1LT package. You can see a manual adjustment on the front passenger seat. You also can see a dark charcoal gray interior. It does have a little bit of a mesh on the inner part of the bolsters here. It kind of sets it off, looks stylish. You can see 2 bucket seats, full console flows in between, a little bit of brushed aluminum highlights around the center console area and the louvers that continue throughout the door panel, as you can see there also. Now, this would be in your compact SUV segment. It's a 5-passenger SUV, but as you can see, there's still very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants there. And you do have a 12-volt power supply in the back of that center console to help charge your electrical devices. As you can see here on the rear wheel, again, the matching Michelin's. Not quite as deep a tread here on the back, maybe about 7, 8, 30 seconds. But you can see there the wheel is scuff-free. It's a good shape. You can see a nice resurfaced rear rotor there as well. Now, as we continue around to the back, again, you can see it's an LT. Of course, this is a front-wheel drive, so it doesn't have the all-wheel drive badging, but it does have a backup camera there, as you can see. And as we open the hatch, you can see a 40/60 fold down on the rear seat if you need a little more room. Also, you can see here you got your dummy spare there. You got your jack, all your tools, everything you need in an emergency situation, and another 12-volt power supply over there to charge some more of your devices, maybe tailgate, whatever you may need it for. Around to the driver's side again, about the same 7, 8, 30 seconds as the other rear tire there, and the split spoke alloy looks good on that one as well. And as we take a look in through the driver's side rear, I'm a little under the weather, but I don't smell any smoke odors. There's no rips or stains. Vehicle is very well maintained by the previous owner. Of course, it's very close to new with the low miles and late model. You can see a full power seat on the driver's side, unlike the manual adjustment on the passenger side. Also like to show you the keys. As you can see, it's what I call a laser cut switchblade key. It does have the integrated key fob and the factory remote start. Nice feature. Also, your power mirrors, windows, and locks are all located right there on the door panel. Let's go ahead and pop in here and start it up. I'll get you the exact miles. See, we got tire pressure monitoring up, so let's go ahead and swap that out of there and see what else we can find. Get puppy out of here. Yeah, there you go, 19,017 miles. So this thing is just over 19,000 miles. I may have said 17 at the beginning, my apologies. Just over 19,000 miles. Let's continue the tour. We got your headlamp controls on this outer stem to the left with an automatic headlamp setting where it's set now. Also, your high beams and turn signals are on the same stem. On the right, your intermittent wiper washers. Your rear is on the outside. Got your cruise on the left of the wheel. Got your Bluetooth and audio controls to the right of the wheel. You got your big touch screen radio, AM, FM, and satellite there. You also can see you have your climate control. It does come with heated cloth seats, which is a nice feature. This is your menu button and your controls. That's how I was changing the center screen display. We do have an economy button to optimize your shift points of your transmission for optimum fuel efficiency. Got your floor shifter here, but on the top is your ability to select any of the gears in the multi-speed transmission. And this area helps hold you back coming up and down the mountains. Gives you a little more torque if needed. We also got your 2 large cup holders there, ability to shut off your traction control. And here's your connectivity. You can see there, pre-in, your USB. I believe there might even be another 12-volt power supply in there. Auto dim on your rear view, as well as your OnStar. Of course, all GM vehicles are equipped with OnStar. Also have your illuminated visors there as well, LED map lights. So really a nice, well-equipped vehicle here. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Hood releases right here. I believe we got a inline variable valve times 4-cylinder engine. I just want to make sure. I want to tell you guys all. That is what we have. We have the Ecotech 2.4 liter variable valve timed inline engine. Really clean, as you can see. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the terminals. Very well maintained by the previous owner. I'll shut the car off here and we'll get into the next portion of the video. And I explained to you the mechanic evaluation in the glove box. The auto histories are always kept on the dash. The last part of this is for me to just give you a quick little walk around here, point out any minor imperfections like a stone chip right there this vehicle may have. We do our very best to buy them as clean as possible with no prior paint work. All the body lines seem to be nice and straight. A couple little chips there and there. Haven't noticed any real dents. I'm trying to catch them in the light. If I see any, I'll point them out to you guys, but it looks pretty straight and clean the whole way up and down this driver's side. Small little scratch up there. Corner of the fascias look good. Front of the deck looks good here. Doesn't even have any scuffs or scrapes really from moving cargo around out of the hatch. Couple little chips here. But really, guys, it's in pretty good shape. A couple little chips over here, as you can see. Let's continue our way around to the passenger side quarter. Little chip up there by that belt line. The quarter panel looks good. Still haven't found a dent. If there is one, it's small, because I don't see it. Oh, there's a chip. And there's a chip. Still no dents. We might have a dent-free unit here. Looks pretty good on the door. Only 2 more panels to go. Fender looks good. Front fascia looks fine. Little chip right there. And a little bit of bug damage, as you can see. A couple little small chips across the front. Have not found a dent yet. Oh, a couple little stone chips there. But if the hood is free, we may have a dent-free one. And I think we might. Couple little stone chips here on the hood, but otherwise extremely clean, guys. Still has the remainder of the comprehensive and the powertrain warranty offered by Chevrolet, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. It's transferable to the next owner. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.